Good morning, students and respected parents. Students, in last class, we have started chapter 3, the reproductive system. In this class, I will do revision of the last topic, that is male reproductive system. A quick revision is there. As we have studied that male reproductive system has two types of organ, primary organ and secondary organ. So we discussed about primary organ, that is testes. Primary organ means that has primary role. The main functions that is for producing hormones or for a male reproductivity are testes. A pair of testes are present in human beings that are enclosed in a sac called scrotum. As you can see in the diagram, here is abdominal cavity and below that is your scrotum, that is enclosed in, that is a pouch. Why the testes are not enclosed in abdominal cavity? Because the sperm cannot remain active at our body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. So, scrotum act as a thermoregulator and provide 2 or 3 degree less temperature to the testes. These are two testes that are present in the scrotum. So, human beings have a pair of testes. A testes is connected, or scrotum is connected to the abdominal cavity through the skeletal muscles that are present in the abdominal cavity. Skeletal muscles that will move according to our will. They come through this canal, that is inguinal canal, to the scrotum and known as the cremaster. What we called it? Cremaster muscles. And the second involuntary muscles also come, that is known as the daltos, and that is a smooth muscle, means that will not work according to our will. Both cremaster and daltos help in maintaining the temperature of scrotum. Now we will talk about the testes. Testes consist of testicular lobules that are present inside the testes. How many testicular lobules are present? They are nearby 250. 250 lobules are present in testes. In these testicular lobules, seminiferous tubules are present. What is present? Seminiferous tubule. If we cut the testes and see their section, that is known as the transverse section of lobules. So in transverse section of lobule, we observe this kind of structure. What is it? These are seminiferous tubule. In a testes, 250 transverse sections of 250 testicular lobules are present, and in each seminiferous tubule 1 to 3 tubules are present. Now I am talking about these seminiferous tubules. In seminiferous tubule, there is in one testicular lobule 1 or 3 seminiferous tubules are present. Outside the seminiferous tubules, some cells are present. We call them leading cells or interstitial cells. What we call them? Leading cells or interstitial cell. They release a structure that I mentioned like a star. What we call the star? Leading cells secrete androgens, and androgen are testosterone. Okay, and in this seminiferous tubules, these kinds of cells are present. These cells are known as nurse cells or Sertoli cells. What we call them? Nurse cell or Sertoli cells. And in between these Sertoli cells, cells are present that are known as spermatogonium. And spermatogonium are the cells that produce the sperm. But they produce sperm. Now question, what is the function of Sertoli cell? So Sertoli cell provide nourishment to the developing sperm. What they do? They will provide nutrition to the developing sperm. So in between the seminiferous tubule, the cells are present. They are known as leading cells. Inside the seminiferous tubule, two types of cells, Nurse cells or spermatogonium. And Nurse cells are tightly held by the tight junctions. Come on the hormonal control of the male reproductive system. As we know, a hypothalamus, a gland present in our cerebrum. Where? In our cerebrum, hypothalamus gland is present. Like here, this is hypothalamus. It will release some hormone that are known as gonadotropin releasing hormone to the gland, that is pituitary. What is it? It is pituitary gland, and this is hypothalamus gland. So hypothalamus gland, gonadotropin releasing hormone, they will act on the pituitary. Pituitary will release two types of hormone, that is FSH or LH. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, will act on Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells were in seminiferous tubule and release androgen binding protein. What they will do? Androgen binding protein will hold the androgen inside the seminiferous tubule. Now LH, luteinizing hormone, will act on the leading cell and help in the release of androgen, that is testosterone.